Thou Xenos, your very existence is a direct crime against the Lex Imperialis. However, if you give me any good information, I may choose to give you a quick death.
Do as you may, you Psyquelaguela. There is no way I'll ever go against my kind.
I see. Well, you're quite brave for a cowardly Xenos, but I can break you. This just means I'll have to use more extreme forms of interrogation. I hope your puny Xenos body can handle this.
Just get it done with, Goyla.
What the is this?
Ah, Giselle Red wanted to show us how an interrogation between her people and ours goes.